To turn on or turn off Facebook App Manager, install retry notifications in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra. Open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Select notifications, and then on recent deletion, find Facebook App Manager. If you cannot find, tap more, and then tap most recent drop-down menu. Select all, and then scroll down the screen. Find Facebook App Manager, and then select Facebook App Manager. Tap notification categories. On install retry, tap switch until blue to turn on or tap switch until gray to turn off. Tap install retry switch until blue to turn on. Install retry Facebook App Manager notifications or tap switch until gray to turn off notifications. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.